Owning a Range Rover sounds like a dream, right? The luxury, the prestige, the power. Pulling up in one instantly makes a statement. But here's the dark truth no one tells you. Behind the badge and the fancy leather interior, owning a Range Rover can be one of the most frustrating, wallet-draining experiences you'll ever face. Today, we're breaking down exactly why it sucks to own one. Range Rover has always sold itself as the perfect blend of rugged capability and luxury. It's supposed to be a vehicle that can climb mountains in the morning and pull up to a five-star hotel valet in the evening without looking out of place. On paper, it sounds unbeatable. But the reality for many owners is very different. The brand has earned a notorious reputation over the years. Unreliable, expensive to maintain, and constantly in the shop. For a car that costs six figures brand new, you'd expect flawless performance. Instead, you get an endless cycle of warning lights, strange noises, and breakdowns that make you wonder why you didn't just buy something German or Japanese. The single biggest complaint about owning a Range Rover is reliability, or rather, the lack of it. Surveys and consumer reports consistently place Range Rover near the very bottom when it comes to dependability. Owners report electrical failures, suspension issues, transmission problems, and more, sometimes all within the first few years of ownership. Air suspension is one of the biggest culprits. Sure, it gives you that buttery smooth ride and the ability to raise or lower the vehicle at the touch of a button. But when it fails, and trust me, it often does, you're left with a repair bill that can easily hit several $1,000s. And it doesn't stop there. Infotainment glitches, random check engine lights, malfunctioning electronics, the list goes on. It feels like every time you fix one problem, two more pop up. Now let's talk money. Range Rover maintenance isn't just expensive, it's brutal. Luxury cars always depreciate, but Range Rover takes it to another level. Buy one brand new and within a few years, you'll watch tens of thousands of dollars evaporate in resale value. Why? Because everyone knows the reputation. Used car buyers are hesitant, and dealerships don't want to give top dollar for a vehicle known to break down. In other words, you're not just losing money on repairs, you're losing money the second you drive it off the lot. Here's the ultimate irony. People buy Range Rovers for the image, to look successful, powerful, and untouchable. But the reality is, many owners feel trapped by constant repair bills and unreliability. That sense of prestige quickly fades when your $120,000 SUV is stuck on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. Sure, the interiors are gorgeous. The ride quality, when everything works, is unmatched. And yes, it still turns heads. But at what cost? The frustration of ownership outweighs the luxury experience for countless people who've been burned by the brand. So, does owning a Range Rover suck? Absolutely. It's like dating someone who looks perfect on the outside, but comes with constant drama you just can't escape. For some, the style and luxury might be worth it. But for most, the headaches, costs, and unreliability turn the dream of owning a Range Rover into a nightmare. What do you think? Would you still take the risk for the prestige, or would you rather put your money into something more dependable?